welcome to another industry update. My name's Grant, this is 3D Musketeers. Let's get into it. Before we start, this is not 3D printing related, but this is a big deal for the maker community, so we want to make sure that we cover it, because if you own a Cricut, it's about to be bricked, unless you bend over and give Cricut more money. That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. You can't just release a product, it gets mass adopted, and then all of a sudden move the goalposts. Autodesk tried this with their free version of Fusion 360, and it backfired so bad, they rescinded a lot of those changes. The big one being you can't export step files. You now have the availability to do so. And there are some cool features coming to Cricut machines, and it is covered in this article, which we will link in the description. But I just wanted you guys to see this because I think this is very, very important at the maker community, because a lot of you likely have Cricuts. You might have missed this. Heads up, soon uploads will be limited to 20 per calendar month. It is called Cricut Access. I wonder if, do they go into more detail? Nope, they barely cover it, and that's not cool. To receive unlimited uploads and other perks, subscribe to Cricut Access. Cricut Access comes with all this other BS. It's $95 a year. $95 a year to use your Cricut. Excuse my French, but that's some bullshit. That's not how this works. You can't just put something out there and say, this is what we want to do. We want to change the maker industry and put user-friendly vinyl cutters in the hands of makers so that they can make awesome. Doing this is bad. You can't just take things away from the maker community. We won't stand for this. Now, we don't own a Cricut. It's not what we do. We outsource our vinyl cutting to a local guy because let the experts do what they do best. It's not my business, and realistically, I just get, like, stickers and dumb crap made. There's no market for me. But there's a market for a lot of makers out there, including people on Etsy that are competing at a price point. And Cricut, shame on you. Y'all need to roll this stuff back. It's not cool. I'm not a fan of it. I recognize the last two videos that we've done have been a little critical, right? Where I've been, less than nice. But you know, this industry needs somebody to keep them accountable, and if I need to create like the 3D printing accountability crew, I'll do it. Or the maker accountability crew, I'll do it. Because this is garbage. I get this is a capitalistic society and you can do whatever the hell you want, but the one thing that you don't do is screw your customer base. Cricut, I'm calling you out. Fix this. This is not cool. Meaning that I can only upload 20 designs a month unless I pay you more money for a machine that I've already paid for is terrible. Especially when a lot of your machines are not all that expensive, right? They're like $400. This is a money grab. It's not my fault you didn't include enough profit in your business model. Find another way to make it. Raise the prices of your machines for all I care. Do not charge hardworking Americans and other people out there more money to use the products that they bought under the assumption that there was never going to be an additional charge other than materials and consumables. Charging for software that was previously free and locking down that free tier to a very limited amount of uploads per month is terrible. Shame on you. Fix it. I get a little heated on these things because it upsets me when companies that have a great thing going, Cricut, ostensibly, had a great thing going. 2020 could not have been a better year to be Cricut. They had the right thing at the right time. And now they're basically saying, middle fingers to all of you, we don't care, pay it or deal with it. I don't like that. Fusion 360, when they locked down their free tier, the one thing they did keep that some makers weren't happy about, that you can only have 10 active files at a time. Well, you can make one of those files inactive and then make another one active, and that still counts as your 10. What they're saying is, and it said it somewhere in the FAQ. Yeah. Can I upload images and patterns for free? All Cricut members have 20 free uploads per month. If I delete an uploaded image, does that alter my remaining upload count? No. It will not change your remaining upload count. Once you successfully upload an image or pattern, it will count toward your 20 uploads monthly limit. Cricut needs to get their act together, or they are going to lose a lot of their customers. I would guess if you've wanted to get a Cricut, you should search on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. I would guess there's going to be quite a few of them going for pennies on the dollar. I hope you've enjoyed this industry update. It's a little ranty, but hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. When we are a company that supports makers, we are makers ourselves. When we see companies doing things like this, they have to be held accountable. Just like we as a small business are held accountable for our actions, other companies must be held accountable as well. That's really all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know about this one. I know a little bit on the negative side. We'll try to have a good positive one later in the week. But I really did want to get this one out there to you all as quickly as possible so that you Cricut owners can decide what you want to do. I would guess it's time to get on social media and make your voice heard. We'll have all of Cricut's social media accounts linked in the description of this video as well if you do decide that you want to reach out to them and let them know how you feel. Again, my name is Grant. This is 3D Musketeers. Don't forget to call your loved ones, and as always, keep making awesome. Have a good one.